Before Zeus, before the Titans, there was a god so silent, even his name was erased from Olympus. They called him Hesychos, the god of silence. His power wasn't in thunder or fire, but in the stillness that ends all sound. Legends say, when Hesychos opened his eyes, the voices of gods would vanish, their power drained with every breath unspoken. The priests of Delphi feared even whispering his name, for speaking it could summon eternal quiet, a silence that could unmake Olympus itself. So, what happened to the god of silence? Did Zeus banish him, or did he choose to remain hidden, waiting for the gods to speak too loudly again? If you love forgotten myths like this, silence that scroll and follow before Olympus falls again.